Well, I think it's going to be a little bit rainy, a little bit cloudy. It's going to be rainy today. Let's build a computer. So what are the parts I'm going to use for my computer? Well, let's check them out. Antec case. It's a full ATX size case. My motherboard, ASRock B55, very stable motherboard. 600 watt power supply by AeroCool. CPU, I got a Ryzen 5. Comes with the fan. My graphics card is a Radeon RX 6600. 8 gigabytes. Kingston M.2, 1 terabyte. 4 sticks of RAM, 8 gigabytes each for a total of 32. 2 SD hard drives, 2 terabytes each for a total of 4 terabytes. Plus the M.2 makes a total of 5 terabytes. I knew math. I'm going to try to put together my computer system. And we've got a little bit of a storm. Alright, so I got the motherboard installed. Okay, CPU time. Ryzen 5 5000 series processor, AMD. Alright, installing that is just way too easy. Way too easy. Puts the lever, comes out, all the pins are nice and straight. Make sure it's seated, don't push too hard, and there, locked in. Now we got the fan on. Was able to get it installed. Okay, let's put some RAM in. $32 gigs of RAM, and then I got the 2 SATA drives in there. They're both 2 terabytes each, so I got 4 terabytes of SSD, and then the M.2 is right there, and that's 1 terabyte. Gonna do power supply next. Put the power supply in. Let's install the graphics card. Okay, well that was not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. Well, we got a heartbeat. It's going. It's going. It's installing. Let's check out and see how fast it starts up. Push the button, Max! Oh, and we're on. What was that, about 12 seconds? Let's do some benchmark testing. So we're gonna run Heaven here. These are the settings I have it set at right now. I've got anti-aliasing off. So we're doing a benchmark right now. And just want to show you frames per second, minimum frames, maximum frames. It's got to go through 20 more scenes, so I won't put you through that. I'll just show you the results at the end. All right. So here's my benchmark scores. I'll take that. So I decided to overclock it a little bit, and let's see the result. This is running Heaven again, and look at the frame rate boosted. Okay, so I ran Cinebench, and that's where my processor and my system landed, right there, number 4. Thank you all for watching. Let's give a start up and see how fast it actually starts up, and then I'll leave you all alone for the day. Come on. And we have... come on. Why does it feel like it's taking a long time now? There it is! That didn't take that long. I can do it. You can do it. Have fun. It's going to be a sunny day today, but my next video will be, we're going to go down to the beach, show you my secret beach spot. Don't tell anybody.